Today I'm going to show you how to crochet an easy ribbon bow, step by step. This beginner crochet bow tutorial is perfect if you're new to crochet or want a quick project you can finish in under 5 minutes. Start with a slip knot, then work simple 50 chain stitches. This crochet bow is soft, simple, and works beautifully for hair clips, beanies, bags, gifts, baby items, and decorations. Cut the yarn with scissors and weave in your ends with a crochet needle. Tie the crochet eye cord in bow shape. Once you make one, you can make crochet bow in any color you want. This is one of those projects that takes little time, looks cute, feels satisfactory to make, and works great as crochet accessories. And just like that, your crochet bow is ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like. It really supports my channel. Let me know in the comments. Would you like more beginner crochet items that you want to make? And don't forget to subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials. You can use this crochet bow for bags, hats, blankets, shirt buttons, beanies, gifts, or even keychains. Make this crochet bow and follow and subscribe my channel for more easy beginner crochet projects.